Today's headline: 204 grams of heroin seized and 2 arrested at Dilai. Now the news in detail. In the early morning of 18 July, acting on a specific information, a Naka was set up by the OC Dilai SI Lutfur Rahman, SI Akash Gogoi, ASI Jiten Gogoi, CRPF C20 Camp Bokajan and Dilai PS staff at Dilai Tiniali. A Tata DI vehicle bearing registration number AS01 NC 3848 was intercepted. On being thorough search of the vehicle, 16 boxes of soap cases containing 204 grams heroin have been recovered, which were concealed inside the door panel of the vehicle. In this connection, the following persons have been arrested: Faridul Islam, 35, son of Lt Tamiz Uddin, Uttar Silpukhuri, Mikirbheta, Moirabari district. Another one is Ajmir Ali, 21, son of Lt Abdul Kuddus, Lengripuri Sariapam, Moirabari, Moirabari district.